Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a traditional style chutney. So to begin with, we will need 3 chilies, a handful of mint, a handful of coriander, and half a tomato, and a pinch of salt. So let's begin. So first of all, I'm going to add some salt. Then I'm going to add the green chilies. So I'm going to start crushing these. Okay, so these look crushed. So I'm going to now add some of the tomatoes in, and I'm going to crush these. I'm now going to add the coriander. I'm now going to add the mint. And then just do the same thing. This looks now done. And I'm going to just mix this. Now you can either serve this on its own, which I'm going to just take a bit out and just put that here. And if you want to, for the rest of it, you can add a couple of spoons of yogurt and just give that a mix. So you can either serve it in a traditional way or with the yogurt. So here we go, a traditional green chutney. Very simple, very easy. Give it a try. Thanks guys for watching.